In the bustling city of Kingston, Jamaica, 20-year-old Barrington was known for his curiosity and quick wit. He worked at a high-tech lab specializing in quantum physics, alongside his brilliant and resourceful partner, Addy. She was equally passionate, always eager to push the boundaries of science. One evening, as the sun dipped below the mountains and the lab quieted down, Barrington and Addy were tinkering with an experimental device, an intricate machine designed to glimpse into alternate realities. They called it the quantum lens.
Addy, if this works, we could see worlds beyond our imagination,
Barrington said, eyes gleaming with excitement. Addy nodded, adjusting the dials.
Let's give it a shot. But remember, we don't know what we might find.
With a flick of a switch, the device hummed to life, and a shimmering portal flickered into existence, a swirling vortex of light and energy. As they peered into it, an astonishing sight appeared, a mirror version of Kingston, but with towering spheres of glowing crystal and flying vehicles zipping through the sky. Suddenly, the portal pulsed stronger, and before they could react, a surge of energy pulled them into the vortex. The world around them blurred, and they felt a strange sensation, like riding a wave of pure energy. When the chaos subsided, Barrington and Addy found themselves standing in the same city, but everything looked different. The buildings shimmered with iridescent hues, and the air was filled with a gentle hum of technological harmony.
Whoa, we're in an alternate Jamaica,
Addy whispered, awestruck. As they explored, they realized this world had unlocked a future where science and nature thrived in harmony. The people here had harnessed quantum energy to heal the environment and empower their communities. But the portal's glow was waning. Time was running out.
We need to get back before we're stranded,
Barrington said, with urgency in his voice. They raced back to the portal, dodging floating drones and shimmering pathways. Just as the energy flickered dangerously low, Addy leapt through the portal, pulling Barrington behind her. With a burst of light, they reappeared in their lab, the portal vanishing behind them. Both were breathless, hearts pounding with adrenaline.
That was mind-blowing,
Addy said, smiling. Barrington nodded.
We just saw what the future could hold, if we're brave enough to pursue science and protect our world.
From that day, they knew their work was more than just experiments. It was a gateway to possibilities. And in their hands, Jamaica's future shone brighter than ever.